Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video of the You Choose, I Draw contest, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the 2007 version of Optimus Prime. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Optimus Prime, we're going to begin with the face. I'm going to start right up here, and we're just going to make a line that's going to come straight across. Then we'll make a line that comes down. It's going to go over and up. Down, over, and up for the eyes. We'll make two little lines that kind of come down right there in between the eyes. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come in on each side. Then we're going to make a line that comes up and one that comes down, so it's kind of like a point. Make a line that comes down on each side, and it's going to go in. And we're going to come down, and we're going to go across. Next, we'll make a line that goes up and down with a triangle, and a line that comes down. Make a line that comes down and in, down and in. Right above here, we're going to add a V shape. Make a line that goes up, over, and down. And then we'll draw that same shape right around it. Draw a line that goes down and in, down and in. Make a little rectangle shape on each side. And we'll make a line that's going to come up to a point and down, up to a point and down. Now, once we have these points on here, we're going to begin with his kind of like ears. So we're going to make a line that goes out. It's going to come down and in. We're going to go out, down, and in. Then we'll just make a little line that comes down on each side. Next, we're going to make a line that goes up, over, and down. And we're going to go up, over, and down, kind of like the pointy parts coming out of the top of his ear. Now, to start with the body, I'm going to begin by drawing two lines that are going to come down on each side. And then I'm just going to make a line that goes down, or over, I should say, and then it's going to come down, over, and up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down. It's going to go over and up like a long, skinny rectangle. And I'm going to make a line that comes up on each side at like an angle. We're going to make a line that comes down on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that comes in. We're not going to go all the way in. We're going to go down, over, and up. Down, over, and up. Next, we're going to make a line that comes down, over, and up. Make a line that comes down and we're going to go down and in here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that goes down and over, and we're going to come down and over here. Next, we're going to draw a line that comes down, over, and up. Next, I'm just going to kind of redraw that shape right around here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over, down, and it's going to come up. We're going to go over, down, and then it's going to come back up. Then we're going to draw a line that goes down, over, and up here. Little line that goes down, over, and up. And a little line that's just going to kind of go right around there with a couple lines through here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out on each side. Then I'm going to make a line that comes straight down. Make a line that goes over, down, and then it's going to connect to here. We're going to go over, down, and connect. Little line that goes over, down, and then it's going to connect to here. We're going to go over, down, and then connect. Make a line that goes down, over, and up, down, over, and up. We'll draw a line here and a line here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. We're going to go down at an angle, up and over, down at an angle, up and over. Make a line that comes up on each side. It's going to come down and up. It's going to come down and up. Make a line that comes down on the front. Make a line that comes up and down, or make a little line that's going to come up and down. I'm going to make a circle shape on each side here. Little line's going to go out and in. We're going to go out and in. Make a line that comes down and then straight down. We're going to come out and then straight down. We're going to go over and up here. We are repeating a lot of the same things on each side. Line that goes over and up, over and up. We're going to go down, over and up, down, over and up. Now for the arms, I'm going to start by making a line that goes out, down, and over. We're going to go out, down, and over. Make a line that comes up really high on each side. I'm going to curve it down on each side. And then we're going to come up at an angle on each side. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and up. We're going to go down, over, and up. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out and in. We're going to curve out and in. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go down and up, down and up. I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. We're going to go up, down, and in. We'll go up, down, and in. Then we'll kind of do the same thing on this side. We're going to go up and then straight up. We're going to go out and straight up. We're going to go over a little bit. Then we're going to come down and connect. We're going to go down and then connect there, kind of at a point. Little line that goes down, over, and up. Down, over, and up. We're going to make a line that's going to come down and over. We're going to go down and over. Then we'll make a little line down. Go over, down, over, and up. Over, down, over, and up for the hands. Line that's going to go up all the way to here. We're going to go over, up to here. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go over and down. We're going to go over and down. We're going to make a line that's going to go over, down, and in. Over, down, and in. I'm also going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come over and down. We're going to go up, over, and down. Now, here's our basic shape of Optimus Prime. Now we want to come in here and add some of the different details. So we're not going to be able to get all the details. We're going to try to get as many as we can in here. So first in here, I'm going to draw kind of like a rectangle shape on each side. This is going to kind of be where like the windows would be. So I'm just going to add these quick little diagonal lines in there. Next, I'm just going to add a little line that comes down on each side here. Then I'm going to add a couple circle shapes right there. I'm going to make a line that goes down, and it's going to come up on each side. And then I'll do the same thing in here. We're going to go down and over. We'll add a little line that goes down in here, down and over here too. I'm going to draw a couple lines right across here. Up here, we're going to make a line that goes over and straight up. We're going to go over and straight up. Make a line that goes over and down, over and down. Make a line that comes down and up. We'll go down and kind of over at an angle. Line that goes down and over at an angle, down and over at an angle. Over here, I'm going to add some quick little lines on each of these parts here. And I'll add a little line that goes down and over, down and over. Make a little line that comes down and over here, down and over. We'll add a little curved line on each side here with a little oval shape inside of there. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and up. We'll go over and up. And we'll make a line that comes down and over, down and over. Make a line that goes over, down, and in, over, down, and in. And a little line that comes across here. A little line that goes over, down, and in, over, down, and in. I'm going to add a couple little lines across here, so this kind of looks like it might be like a tire or something. And there you go. There is your drawing of Optimus Prime from Transformers. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.